Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to switch between light and dark mode on ChatGPT application using your mobile device. So let's get started right away with the video. First of all, open up your ChatGPT application from your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into the main homepage of ChatGPT, click on the two horizontal lines at the top left corner from the home screen. In the expanded menu, click on your username at the bottom and this will open up the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, look for color scheme under app, tap on it, and then you will see three different options: system, dark, and light. Simply select the mode you want. You can choose light for bright background, whereas you can choose dark for darker, more comfortable background. If you select the system option, then this option will match your device's overall theme automatically. And that's how you can easily switch between light and dark mode on ChatGPT application using your mobile device. Changing the theme can really help reduce eye strain and make your experience more enjoyable, especially if you spend a lot of time chatting or working on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.